But this serious. Me carry you come a dinner and you a tell me about Spice?
Yeah, man, that's Spice for YouTube, I said that. Our concert postponed, it came and it could have come on 3 hours ago. The channel, the Kingmixup channel, plus one November 25th, another show we're supposed to cancel. That's until further notice, it should feel much better.
Boom, viewers, subscribers, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not forward from I and I, it's not credible. I keep on telling you, you don't know the things that people bless up in the up on a Wednesday, you know, but you know my style, already one bag of one and the one, and I gotta give you these daily updates on the people you see and don't see on the screen. I'm not gonna tell you no lie, with the holidays coming up, this is a huge blow for the family of Shanquella Robinson. As you know, she was found dead after flying out on vacation with friends. You see me, I say, and conflicting reports have them wondering what really happened at a villa in Cabo, Mexico. Friends are caught lying about the cause of her death after ongoing investigation. You see me, I say, and it was supposed to be a fun vacation for Shanquella Robinson and her group of friends who went to Cabo. As you can see, that's the video. With her friends then beating her up. You see me, I said, they never tell the parents that, you know, but like I said, to celebrate one of their friends' birthday party, everyone else came back from Mexico and left her body there nearly 2 weeks, and $6,000 later, her body is back home, but answers have been hard to come by. All of her friends have spoke to her parents with multiple different stories. Imagine going on vacation with your so-called friends and never return. Our hearts go out to Shanquella Robinson. Her friends beat her to death and lied to her mother about how she died. A friend of 5 years. Beware. And you know, things and things. I'm not gonna lie to you people. Mexico ain't gonna do ish about this because they already ruled it. You know, she died of alcohol poisoning. You know what I mean? One of her friends said that he arrived like the day after the beating. You see me, I said, boy, oh boy. Him say it was a shock to see him friends of 9 years. Be seen that way, you know, but I don't know what could have happened, you know, people, but that video, me post it on Twitter with her get beat by a friend, them, you see me, but as I giving an update, well, go on from one to go on, you know, be careful of the friends that you keep. You know what I mean? Yeah, let's proceed.
Hey, good morning, everyone. This is Dr. Yan from ProSurgical Services in Kingston. Today, I want to talk about a hot topic. Everybody talks about it. It's in the news all over. Spice. Whatever happened to Spice? Now, let me start out by saying that I do not have any particular information. I really only know what's in the media. Okay, so first, it was said that she was in a coma. It was said that she had a heart attack. It was even said that she was dead. Now, luckily, we know that none of that was the case, and she's now getting much better. Shout outs to Spice. She was telling us that she had suffered from a ruptured hernia. So what I assume happened is that while she was having a liposuction surgery, a hernia that was most likely unknown to the doctor got injured. If everything works well, after that surgery, the patient is being released or discharged home, or in that case, probably to a recovery house. And over the course of the next 2 days, her situation probably got increasingly worse. She probably developed some abdominal pains, some belly pains, and after 2 days, the situation probably got so bad that she had to go back, and then it was an emergency. Okay, so what happens is there's a puncture in a hernia. Hernia is an inner organ that protrudes through an opening in the abdominal wall, and that can get injured with an instrument. So, and then the bacteria that live in our bowel will slowly penetrate the body where they don't belong and cause an infection. Okay, so now this is a very serious complication, but it is very, very rare. Okay, so now there's something that I wanted to take the opportunity and talk about because it is real, but it's really, really rare. So now, again, shout outs to you, Spice. We hope that you're getting better soon, and hopefully we'll see you around here one time. Peace out.
And now a lot of people that's following the Spice story has been saying what the doctor has saying, but you know the thing said. Spice have some besties and some dusties and rusties and crusties that, no one hear the truth. You see what I say? But like I said, people, put in the comment section if you think what the doctor is saying is on point versus to what you know who is saying. You see what I say? Remember, say, me just the messenger, don't crucify me, Alice. You won't get no more messages. Now let's proceed to the next. And now, keeping on the topic of Spice with, her surgery lies, allegedly, Tasha K has chimed in. Now, the last time Tasha K touched the Jamaican topic with, Shakira Richardson and all of them things, them rub out her blood clot, you see what I say? But me don't know if them are gonna rub her out this time because, boy, she said Spice is a lion. You see me, I say? Let's take a quick listen to what she said and then we'll proceed.
Thinks that I'm a child. Like, I don't know a liar when I see one. Who you think you talking to? Who you think you lying to? See, she saw her ass, her manager saw her ass get dragged, almost to the grave by social media over promoting BBLs, over there going to die for a $3,500 BBL, I don't know what else she was going to Brazil lift but I don't know. You could tell she got excess water weight from doing too much sucking out, too much putting in. It's too much water weight going on. She gonna swell, she gonna pop, Like this hernia that she says she had, that popped. It probably popped when they was sucking shit out around it, And then her stomach has to contract from wearing all the mother fajas and shit. Is that how you say it? Okay.
Yeah, and you can check out Tasha Full Life on VR page, you know what I mean? But there you go, she said she doesn't know what she was doing, but it's quite obvious, you feel what I'm saying? Boy, oh boy, oh boy. People putting in the comment section what you think what Tasha K is saying is true versus what the doctor is saying versus what Spice team is saying. And I mean, I already told you, said the booking agent came out here and looked like a liar because him said Spice are right and all of these things. I know we see promoter cancel show. You know what I mean? And we know said there's going to be more cancellation in the future, the near future. So we're looking out to December 10th. But that's again an update where I go on. Nicki Minaj, blogger friend, Tasha K, dragged the shit out of Spices. Yes, Nicki vlogger dragged the shit out of Spice, but boy, it looked like said the Grammys is dragging the shit out of Nicki because they snubbed her once again by not giving her any nominations in any category. It was like 7 months ago, Nicki came on Twitter saying that the Grammys them unfair and all of these stuff. We know the history and she's fighting the machine. And a lot of people was calling her super freaky granny and all of these things, but come on now. No, we said the Grammys is really run by some Five Guys racist people. You know what I mean? Because regardless of what she said about the Grammys, she deserved to be in at least one category award category, you know what I mean? You see me I say, but this just proves that them run things and votes don't matter and them control the things. So Nicki, if I was you, I wouldn't even put no more music in for Grammy or Rascal. But I start holding my own Grammy show the same day that they keeping their ish. You see me I say, we know why the besties them was going hard when Spice gets snubbed to some group we didn't even know about. You know what I mean? And through some boys to slave, I go and like said, them are some good people I rascal. I can't even remember the name of these people who won the reggae category, you feel me? And now they're saying the Jamaicans want to be more active in the category nomination thing. They gotta buy more whatever themselves buy, you know what I mean? Why. Anyway, people, I'm not giving them an update while go on from another go on. Nicki has not been Graminated for any nominations. Yeah. In any category. You feel me? Put in the comment section what you think about that. Whether you like Nicki or not. You see me? No, Justin. I don't know what to call Justin's I don't know what to call Justin's crew. Like how Spice have the besties and the crusties and the rusties and the Dusties and, you know, Smurf Power and all of this issue now. But right now, Rasta people them is this in the issue out of Spice them. I'm not gonna lie to you, I keep on telling them Spice and Rasta is not together no more. So I'm gonna leave the man alone and let the man do him thing, because I got embarrassed on himself, which is gonna cause embarrassment on Spice. And he posted this picture of himself all iced out on his birthday, you see me I say? And somebody said, "Happy birthday, Rasta, the queen of race." And Sammy, you know, the girl said, shaking my head. And this person said, "The man, I laugh after owner guys so much. It's a bazaars, you know. Him and Spice don't have the same energy, so stop bully them, man. Our life." And this person said, "Yeah, say it again. When American men don't have the same energy, when they done, they done." So I just hit that. It don't look like say Rasta is gonna be on Love and Hip Hop the next season. It's it, man. I say, my people. Boy. Anyway, I'm not gonna long on this no longer, you know. If you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and hit the notification bell and press all that for you be notified when we drop the latest in the dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossip. If you keep on viewing and returning to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, well, do as me just tell them to do. Yeah, I mean, big up on yourself. Bless.